Hey guys, welcome to Island 2. I'm going to show you the easiest strategy that is going to get you over 100 each time. Modify how you want. If you want to micro super hard to get a super high score, you can. But if you're just looking to get over 100 each time, this is going to be the easiest strategy ever. You'll go ahead and start with your hero, set her on strong, put out a plane. You're going to start middle path first. Make sure it has camo detection. This boss needs camo, so make sure you start with a 0-2-0 to start out. Upgrade this to a 4-2-0. If you do have the monkey knowledge, put it on wing monkey. I'm going to speed this forward a little bit. You're just going to put out 7 total. You can just let it go forward, put out 7 total. All of them are 4-2-0s. Once you get 7 of these, you'll go ahead and put a boat in the middle of the water. We're going to make it a 5-0-2, and that way it will boost all of the planes. The top path on the boat, if you upgrade it all the way, it will boost planes and boats. So we have a ton of these planes out. That's why we're going to upgrade this as quickly as possible and make it a 5-0-2. Make sure you cross path, bottom path for that camo detection. After you get that boat upgraded to a T5, you're going to place out 4 more planes. All of them are going to be 4-2-0, same path. If you do have the monkey knowledge, put it on wing monkey. It helps with the damage and where the pierces hit for the balloons with wing monkey. So that's why I particularly like that path if you do have that. Once you get 4 more of these out, grab any one of the planes. I would try to suggest one that's kind of by the boat because we're going to pair it with a village and just upgrade it to a T5. So you're going to see me upgrade one near the boat to a 5-2-0. You'll immediately place down a village. Try to put it in range of your boat and in addition to your T5 plane. So if you want, you can honestly move that plane a little bit closer towards the edge. That way you know for certain that it's going to be in range. Once you put that village down, it's going to be a 2-4-0. Make sure you use that village ability anytime it refreshes, so that way towers in range will have that extra pierce and damage when you do use that. After you go and get that out, we're going to put out 2 snipers. Both of them are going to be T5s. You're going to do the first one as a 5-2-0. Remember, it needs camo detection. Just because it's in range of that village, you still want to cross path each thing with camo detection for the boss. Once you get that top path and make it a 5-2-0, you'll go ahead and work on a bottom path. You're going to make it a 0-2-5 sniper. Make sure you're marking each one of these on strong so it specifically targets the boss. We'll go ahead and put out a dartling. It's going to be a 2-5-0. Just make sure you're moving it within range of the boss. You can let this speed forward. Remember, this strategy is going to be a lazy strategy where you don't have a ton of micro. If you rather micro a ton and get like 140, absolutely do that. If you're just looking for a super lazy strategy to get you over 100 each time, this is going to be your strategy. After you get that dartling out, we're going to go ahead and start working on a paragon. If you do have the monkey knowledge, you can do the bottom path twice. So we have plenty of time to create the paragon even with this lazy strategy. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on the bottom path first. I'm going to make it a 2-0-5. I'll go ahead and upgrade another one, same path. It's going to be a 2-0-5. After you get the 2 bottom path ones, or if you don't have the monkey knowledge, just do one. It's completely fine. Go ahead and work on the middle and the top path. If you're trying to get a super high score and also micro more, you can put out additional dart monkeys. That way you can do the middle path and then it boosts it. But this one, like I said, it's such an easy boss on this particular level that you can speed this forward and put little to 0 effort and get over 100 each time. Once you get the middle path, make sure you upgrade the top path. If you need to, you can go ahead and sell some of the extra planes because all we're going to do is create the paragon. So you honestly will have enough with the towers that you have out now. So you can honestly sell the planes, you can sell the MAD, the village, the helicopter, anything that you have, you can just go ahead and sell as soon as you have 150. If you want to boost it, you can contribute the max, which I do, and then it's just going to be rebuilding. The first tower I'm going to go ahead and rebuild towards the back is going to be a T5 spike just to help with balloon cleanup. I'm going to make it a 5-0-2. I'm going to mark it on smart. That way the spikes are going towards the back end. But After this, you can just place out as many towers as you want. I'll go ahead and pair this with the village, and I'll make it a 2-4-0, and then I'll start working on a planed bottom path. But like I said, this strategy, if you really want to micro super hard, you can get well over the 103 that I got here. But I wanted to show you guys how easy this particular boss is on Island 2 with very little effort that you have to put in, that you can get a solid score each time. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you drop a comment and tell me how far along you got on Island 2. I'll see you on Island 3. Bye, guys.